Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer course content from Teachable to Kajabi, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the course you want to transfer. In the course dashboard, locate the Curriculum tab. Click on the Curriculum tab to view your course content. For each module, expand the content to see individual lessons. Start with the first lesson on the list. Copy the lesson title from Teachable. Open a new tab and log into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the Products section within Kajabi. Click on Add Product and select Online Course. Enter the copied title from Teachable as the course name in Kajabi. Now, move on to add content for the first lesson. In the Kajabi course editor, click on Add section to create a module. Name the new section according to its corresponding module in Teachable. Within the section, click on Add Lesson. Paste the original lesson title from Teachable. Now, transfer the content of the lesson. Switch back to your Teachable tab. Use the copy function to select all text and multimedia from the lesson. Return to the Kajabi lesson editor. Paste the copied content into the Kajabi editor. Adjust formatting as needed to ensure clarity. Repeat this process for each lesson in the module. Once complete, move on to the next module in the Teachable course. Follow the same steps for each module and its lessons. After you've transferred all content, review your course structure in Kajabi. Test all links, videos, and resources to ensure everything is functioning properly. Finally, customize any additional settings or visuals in your Kajabi course. This concludes the transfer process from Teachable to Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.